In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Meet recording in Google Workspace. We'll turn on recording from the Google Admin Console so people in your organization can capture and save their meetings. You'll need an administrator account, and recording is available on select Google Workspace editions. If your plan doesn't include it, the option may not appear. Start by going to the Google Admin Console and signing in with your admin account. On the home page, look for Apps. This is your hub for managing services across your organization. Open Apps, then choose Google Workspace. You'll see a list of core services, find Google Meet, and open it to access its settings. Next, go to Meet Video Settings. This page controls features such as live streaming, safety tools, and recording. Open the recording section to view the available options. Enable the setting labeled Let People Record Their Meetings. Turning this on allows eligible users to start and stop recordings directly in Google Meet. If you manage different departments or teams, check the organizational unit or group you've selected before enabling the setting so it applies to exactly the users you intend. You can come back anytime to narrow or expand who has access. When you're ready, click Save. Most changes take effect within minutes, though it can take up to 24 hours to fully roll out. If users don't see the recording control right away, have them sign out and back in or try again later. A few practical notes to help your users succeed. Once recording is enabled, meeting organizers and hosts with the right permissions can start a recording from inside a Meet call. Everyone in the meeting is notified when a recording begins and when it stops, which helps with transparency and compliance. Recordings are saved to the organizer's Google Drive in a folder called Meet Recordings, and a link is also emailed after the meeting ends. Make sure there's enough drive storage available, and remind teams to follow your company's policies and local consent requirements before recording. Recordings typically capture the main meeting and any content that's presented. If someone still can't record after you've enabled it, double-check their organizational unit, confirm their license supports recording, and verify they have host permissions in the meeting. If you use retention or e-discovery tools, coordinate with your compliance team so recordings are governed appropriately. And that's it. You've enabled Meet recording in the Google Admin Console, making it easy for your organization to capture important discussions and share them securely. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher.